hear me twice. Morning, Kuya.
Morning.
What are you doing?
I'm just playing my recorder.
That's a recorder? It's not a flute?
No, flutes are like this.
Oh, right.
Recorders are like this. Like clarinets.
Good to know. I learned something today. I thought that's a flute. Morning, Emil. Say hi. Ayun niya. Ay, may topak po siya. What's up, guys? Wala namang pasok sila Kuya Elijah today. Just for one day. And then tomorrow.
Because the teacher is gonna have a meeting.
Oh, teacher has meeting daw, sabi ni Kuya Ellis. So, they're gonna come with me later. No, ibabalik natin yung fridge sa Costco. Kasi mali yung nabili kong fridge for our project, West K 2.0. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm copying this.
Yeah, she's painting, guys.
Busin mo na yung pagkain mo, guys. Hi, buddy. What you doing, buddy?
I'm fixing.
You're fixing. Okay. Good job. Guys, rate my haircut.
Alright, your haircut.
Rate my haircut.
Infinity.
Infinity! Woo! Say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna rate it. I'm going the dog look.
So guys, I got a haircut kanina. Hindi ko na kayo nadala doon. And today's agenda pala is pupunta ako dun sa project West K kasi ibabalik na namin yung fridge sa Costco. So I gotta go meet the movers at the project. Tapos we're gonna meet them at Costco. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Let's go. What's up, guys? We're back dito sa project West K. Drop natin to. What's up, boys? How you guys doing? How are you?
Not done yet.
Not done yet? I'm just dropping off some stuff. More boxes. So guys, we're installing pot lights here. We pulled permits for this, so yung mga haters natin dyan, if you wanna route me out, I got permits for this. So yeah, may bago tayong pot light, 4. Dapat 6 eh, kaso sabi ni Big Ben, yung electrician natin, medyo overkill na daw pagka 6 ang nilagay natin. So here, na-install na nila yung door handles and some of this. And also, I'll show you guys something here. Itong light na to, we're gonna center it in the room. Kasi pangit yung dito sa side kasi it doesn't make the room bright. So the goal is to center it and move that light. Wow, Jamie's not following the rules, guys. Look at her. She's wearing shoes. And look at the rules here. No outdoor shoe on any carpet. Yeah, you're fired.
What? I'm not even working.
So I got another box in the car, so let me take that. Mama got the other box. So guys, as you guys can see there, yung pina-positive grading na natin yung front para yung tubig away from the house. When it rains, when it dries out, it's away from the house. And then nilalagyan din natin ng mulch. Okay guys, we're here at the back as our first video. Medyo mababa yung grading nito dati dito. So ayan, pinataasan natin yung grading ng perimeter ng bahay para hindi naiipon yung tubig when it's raining. I told him to take off the grass and then put it on top of this. What the heck are they doing? Fran, I thought you're gonna cut off the grass and lift it.
No fucking chance that's
No?
happening. No.
I thought that was
$10 bag of seed in 1 week it'll have grass.
Are you sure?
Bro, you know how hard this is?
Yeah, it's not plat. It's not the.
It's not sod.
Sod,
If it's
eh?
sod, you can lift it right up.
Right.
This is
Okay guys, we're here at Costco na and we're gonna return the fridge. So guys, we decided pumunta sa McDonald's kasi nandito yung ano namin, discount coupon. Ayan pa yung isa nating sponsor. Guys, order lahat ng gusto nyo orderin. Nandito si Joy. Joy, hagi ka muna. Guys, ito na po si Boss Amo. Ayun si Boss. Ang mahal naman. Tignan mo, mamagikin niya yan.
Why are we doing
So guys, I just drop off Kuya Elijah at his practice. Ako ngayon pupunta ako sa project ulit natin kasi na-drop ko tong mga supplies na binili ko para sa project. So tara, babalikan ko na lang si Kuya Elijah. So guys, nandito kami sa labas. Ayan si Francisco. We're gonna check the roof. So hopefully I don't fall while going upstairs. Up in the roof. Oh man, my knees are buckling right now. Fuck! Oh my god, bro. Oh yeah, it looks good. Clean, man. Oh my god, yeah, it looks good. Properly done, eh? The eavesdrop is a bit dirty, but we're gonna clean that right now. Is there a thing here or no? Nothing. It's there, eh? Oh man, I'm getting my hands dirty, man. Ugh. Look at the neighbor's roof. Makikita nyo, wavy na siya. It's wavy. Okay guys, bababa na ako and I'm so scared. This guy's a roofer, eh? And he's from the north end, so he's built different. Okay guys, let's go pick up Elijah, Kuya Elijah, and let's go home. See you guys tomorrow. Peace!